configurations was available, right? So now I will take the 3.9.12 stages. Okay. So small configurations, small changes I want to here. Okay. So now enter. I want to add the Maven. Okay. See this observing stage. Stage is build package. Okay. Maven home. Tool name is Maven 3.9.12. So I'll configure the freestyle project, right? In configuration 3.9.12 and 3.9.11. So I will configure the 3.9.12. So I want to take the 3.9.12. So whatever the name you have to give, whatever the configuration you have to give, just you can give the name only. Okay. Code is already available. Okay. Just you can give the name only. Marvin 3.9.12. That's it. Okay. So your configuration is successfully done. Okay. Now we can check the stage colon also we can cross check it. So stages in every closing colon is mandatory. Okay. This is a Marvin 3.9.1. I'm added. Name is Marvin. Right. That's it. Apply and save and build. Okay. My second build. See the configuration. Observing the configuration. I'll add the code. Okay. I will add the code and I'll do some modifications. Okay. So that is the code modifications. And next I want to build. Okay, now I want to take the SonarQube public IP. Okay, so next I want to install the SonarQube plugin. Okay, now I want to do my second build. My second build is Maven configuration. Already I configured the Maven 3.9.12. Okay, so I want to show here already. Wait. Okay, the second build is successfully done. Okay, yeah. See the second build. The second build is successfully available. Div pipeline available. See this console first output. Okay, this is a first output available, and the second build is open. It's loaded actually. Okay. Next, the third is configuration of SonarQube. Okay. So next we have to go to open new link tab. So going to manage Jenkins. See this output is available regarding information, second build information. Okay. Now I'll go to manage Jenkins because I want to install the plugins. Okay. Open the new tab. Guys, everyone listen carefully. I want to install the two plugins. One is a SonarQube plugin. Another one is SonarQube plugin. Another one is Nexus Artificate. Okay, going to available plugins. Okay, everyone please click on the available plugins and type the SonarQube. Already I have installed plugin. Okay, so now I am giving the installed plugin. So you have to use the plugins going to available plugins. Okay, going to available plugins and you can type the SonarQube plugin. Automatically the SonarQube plugin was available. Okay, the SonarQube plugin was available. And the next, this is you can remove here, no problem. Dev pipeline already available now. You can go to configure page and manage Jenkins available, installed plugin available. See the SonarQube. See this is the SonarQube scanner plugin. Okay, I want to install it. So you can click first, you can click available plugin. After that, you can install. Okay, after that you can install. And next, we'll go to system configurations. Okay, you can install the plugin. After that, you can configure the global setting paths. Okay, once you can install the SonarQube plugin, and next behind configure option also available. Okay, see this option, configure option. Okay, installing plugin. See this SonarQube scanner for Jenkins plugin. Okay, already I installed it. And next we have to install the Nexus plugin also. See, Nexus Artificate Uploader plugin. Same, you can go to available plugins and you can type the Nexus Artificate Uploader and automatically you can install it. Okay, so next automatically it's installed. So this is the configuration part. Okay, SonarQube plugin already I'm installed, right? SonarQube plugin already I'm installed, right? So going to SonarQube. This is a SonarQube installations stage. Once we have to install now, after that it's visible, otherwise it's not visible. Okay, name, I'll give the name is SonarQube. I will give the public IP. Where is the SonarQube? This is the SonarQube. Now I will take here and going to configuration. will give the public ID. I'll remove here. Okay. So the name of server authentication is Sonar. That's it. Okay. So this is a token actually. Authentication token first you can create it. So how to create the authentication token? Going to global. Okay. This is a global. So going to secret file. Okay. Going to secret file. Click on that. See ID. ID is Sonar Cube. Okay. And now going to description. So how to create? I will show here. And the ID is Sonar. Okay. Description. Okay. You don't know the description, right? So just you can go to Sonar Cube. Already you have a token, right? See my account. Security. Okay. You can generate the token. Okay. You can generate the token. Already I have a token, guys. Okay. Going to, you have a token is not available now. Just you can do to this. Just take here. Just take here. Copy here. And you can see paste here. That's it. Okay. The token is available. Now choose file. Global. 1 second, guys. The secret file. And going to next. ID. You can give. One second. Global and system Jenkins nodes. See this add Sonar Cube global, and we can give the this is not secret text. Okay, you can give the secret text. You can click on secret text. You can give the scope. You can click on the scope now global. Okay, you can give the secret. Secret already you can copy here, right? This is a ID. Okay, ID is Sonar. Just Sonar TT I'll give. Description also same Sonar TT. That's it. Okay, create. The Sonar token is created. See, I have 2 tokens. Now I'll give the token. And so this is a URL, right? This is a URL. I'll give the code also. Code is not mandatory, guys, but I'll give because some precautions like that. Sometimes it's not been enough. So I'll give it. That's it. Okay, just you can edit here. Sometimes it's not acceptable. Okay, sometimes it's acceptable. Depends upon application. Okay, now I'll give here. And give the code. That's it. I'll give the token. Commit changes. Okay, commit changes. Now I'll go to this configuration. Whatever the configurations I will give. Once we have to install the Sonar Cube plugin. After that Sonar installation was visible. Name is Sonar Cube. ID URL is 9000 port IP. The token authentication we can take the Sonar text. Okay. After that Sonar credentials was added. And that's it. Okay, once we have the token added, everything is added now. So after that apply and save here. Okay, once we have to save now. So after that you can generate the script. Okay.
దానికి ముందు చుక్కలు ఇస్తారు వేసుకోమని.
Save here. Once you can configuration is done.
ఊరికి డైరెక్ట్ ఏం చేయరు, చుక్కలు వేసుకోవాలి.
Going to dashboard.
మళ్ళీ వచ్చే చలికాలం
open this dashboard.
ఇప్పుడు కాదు అప్పుడు.
So this dashboard will be in that dashboard and moving here. Okay. So the dashboard is visible and this is a project configuration, right? We will click on here. Next I want to configure here. Next I want to add the code. Okay. So whatever the name I want to add, Sonar Cube, right? Sonar Cube name. So this is a stage of Sonar Cube. This stage is code review without Sonar Cube env, Sonar Cube name, and Maven already available 3.9.1 and just Maven CMD and configuration type is Maven. Whatever the configuration we have to take, that configuration already we can give. That's it. Okay, I want to take here the code review. Next I want to deploy the code review. Going here, configure here already. I'll configure the first I want to install the Sonar Cube plugin. and plugins
రాయలేవు
configuration. Next, I want
నా
to go
బ్యాగ్
into manage Jenkins and open the
వేయండి
global configuration part. And the next, once we have to install the SonarQube plugin, after that, the manage global configuration page is visible. After that, I will give the name. The name is
తిన్నా
SonarQube,
తినచ్చు
and the next I will give the URL. And the next I want to add the token. Okay. Next, I want the token. Add the token. So the name is SonarCube. Okay.
ఏం
See,
తెచ్చారు
this is a SonarCube. I will give it. So only one modification. Okay. Only I give the one modification. So the stage is mandatory. See, this indentation is
మామయ్య
mandatory
చేశాడు
with
పొద్దునేమో
indentation.
రేపు
See,
వస్తాడు అని
this
అన్నాడు
configuration is
మళ్ళీ తాత ఫోన్ చేసి
within
నేను వస్తున్నా
in
అంటే ఏసీ గురించి
indentation
కూడా
is
అడిగితే
mandatory. Observing that
ఎప్పుడు వస్తాడంటే
this
2 రోజులు
colon, this line is
2
mandatory.
రోజులు
Guys.
పట్టిద్దంట అని
Okay,
అన్నాడంట
this line is mandatory. See, same line I'll give it, right? And the next stage, see, stage line also we can check. Some space is there, right? We can back one step. See, stage. This is a node closing bracket. Okay, this is a closing bracket in node configuration. That's it. The three configurations is done. 3.9.1 is Marvin version, SonarCube, right?
యాడికి
Apply and save here.
యాడికి
And next I want to build here, SonarCube. In every time we can check the SonarCube server is stopped. So once you
ఇంకా
can
10
configure the
రోజులు
SonarCube,
10
automatically
రోజుల్లో సెలవులు కూడా అయిపోతాయి
the public IP was changed, configuration also changed, everything was changed. Okay, every time we have to configure. So first we have to go into
అయితే
manage
నా
Jenkins. SonarCube
ఒక
before
కేజీ
progress.
అలసందలు
Install the
తీసుకెళ్తా
plugin, system
ఇంకో
configuration
కేజీ
we can
ఉంచుతా
go.
ఇంకో
After
అప్పుడు
that you can
తిరుపతికి
add
వచ్చినప్పుడు
port IP,
తీసుకెళ్తా
you can add token, you can add
అప్పుడు కొద్దిగా
name, everything
సరిపోతుంది
you can do. My third build is a SonarCube. The SonarCube is working or not, weather check. Is in case
డైలీ
sometimes
మోసుకురా
is
అంటే
not working.
నడుము
Like
పోతుంది
that issue is the token issue, and that issue is
నేనే కావాలని తీసుకునేది
sometimes a token issue, sometimes uh, sometimes token issue,
నువ్వు
public
అమ్మతో
IP issue, like
మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు
that.
నువ్వు
Okay.
చెప్పలేదుగా
And my fourth build, I think. Okay, my fourth build
అలా తెలిసిందంటే ఇంకా తీసుకునేది
in progress. See, it is in progress.
నేను అయ్యి ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రసాదానికి కానీ ఉడకబెట్టుకొని తినడానికి కానీ అప్పుడప్పుడు గారెలు చేసుకుని వచ్చినాను అవి తింటేనే ఆరోగ్యం
Next build I'm moving.
అన్నం
No?
తిన్నా ఉపయోగం
Previous
ఉండదు
build it's visible. Next build I'm moving. Dev project pipeline,
అన్నం
manage Jenkins.
సరే
So first we have to install the SonarQube plugin. Next we have to install the Nexus plugin. And next we have to configure the Sonar configuration in this system. Configure settings part. Okay, my third build is successfully done. Okay, this is the console output loading. Okay, the SonarQube Marvin web application is passed. Okay, pipeline is successfully done. Okay,
కళ్ళ చూడదా
and pipeline overview, open new link tab, and timing, open new link tab, edit build information, open new link tab, and the pipeline steps also we can check it, and everything we can check it. Okay, see build success, and the next timing also it's visible, configuration also visible, and manage Jenkins, and finally I want to install the Nexus. Okay, so Nexus already I'm installed, guys. You can install that. Manage Jenkins, going to plugins you can go, and available plugins you can go, and you can install the Nexus. Okay, and going to dev pipeline and going to configure here. Okay, once we can open now, and this timing, see the time build schedulings, everything is visible. Timing, in queue, waiting, blocked, bin total, scheduling completion, never 1 minute second. So this is a real-time work environment, guys. Okay, build information, and see this build console output. Okay, pipeline steps. Pipeline steps I'm using, right? This is the pipeline steps. And next dev pipeline, and going to this is a configuration, right? Now we'll go to configure the Nexus. Okay, Nexus I will configure here, and next I want to pipeline syntax. Okay, pipeline syntax we have to go, and next pipeline syntax, and 3 times, and dev pipeline, and pipeline purpose we have to go to install the Nexus plugin, and syntax generator. Okay, syntax generator. Same as usual, just the same steps you can follow. Okay, otherwise the output is coming. Okay. Okay. And pipeline. See this. I want to type the Nexus. See, already available. Now, Nexus installation is 3 version I'm installing. Okay. Nexus installation is 3 version I'm installing because Nexus installation time, that time I want to go to 3 installing. Okay, Nexus 3. Okay, HTTP is a protocol. Okay, Nexus protocol. See this Nexus protocol. And next URL, we can take the URL, Nexus URL. Okay, so go here. First we can sign in. Okay, I want to sign here and I want to take the private public IP and copy here. I want to paste here. So URL must be empty. Okay, we can't add the HTTP. Okay, just only IP was we can add it. That's it. Okay, don't add the HTTP already you can mention now. So how it's mentioned, right? You can add credentials. So add credentials means you can username with password you can select and going to credentials. Username is admin and password also admin and ID is Nexus. Description also Nexus. Okay, that's it. Create. Okay, my credentials is created. Now I want to add the Nexus credentials. What is the group ID? Group ID is this. Okay, group ID is this com.md. Okay, com.md is a group ID. Now we can take whatever the application we have to develop, that related information we can give. Okay, this is a com.md. And version. What is the version you have to use? See this version. The version is 0.01, right? I want to take that version. I want to build here. 0.0.1. I want to take that version. Okay. And the next, the repository. Okay. You don't have a repository, right? You don't have a repository. Now we'll go to here, repository, and we can create the repository. No problem. Create the repository and Maven 2 hosted, and I want to take this, paste here, release dev. Okay, that is my repository name. And release repository, and observing that disable deploy, right? Allow to redeploy. Deployment policy you can give allow to redeploy. Okay. Once you can give now, automatically the allow to redeploy application is working. Okay. What is the name of this code? See, repository name is release dev. Okay. Release dev. You can go here. Where is syntax generator? Okay. Repository name you can give. This is release dev the name. Okay. Release dev of the name. The name is release dev. Okay. Release dev. That's it. And certificate. You don't know the certificate, right? You can create the certificate. What is an certificate? Okay. What is the certificate? Certificate is Maven web application, right? You can go to code here. See, this is Maven web application. Copy. And we can go here. Certificate ID you can give. That is a Maven web application. See, and what is the type of file? What Maven web application? Which file we can release? WAR file, right? Standalone application jar file. Maven web application is WAR file. Okay. So your var file, target file, which of the file we can target? So my target is Maven web application dot var file, right? Now I'll give the target. Okay. My target is Maven web application dot var file. That is the point I'm giving the var. Okay. See, add the colon underscore. We can remove that target. Okay. Maven then web application dot var file. Okay. That's it. The name is the name of certificate ID. Release dev is name. That's it. Create the repository. Okay. And
Ma'am,
we can create repository and we can add here.
ma'am,
Okay. I want to copy here.
ma'am.
Going to this. Yeah, tell me.
URL Nexus URL 8081, ma'am. You only given
Hmm.
808.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, 8081 I'll give you. See, I can cross check from Nexus 3 HTTP protocol is available now. No need of this. And I will add the credentials and group ID is com.mt and version is 001 and repository is release dev certificate Maven web application. The type is where classified no need. My final destination is target file, right? Okay, generate the pipeline script. Okay, this script I want to take here. Copy here and paste here. Okay, this stage I want to take here. Copy here. I'm going to configure this dev pipeline. I want to add here. Paste here. Okay, I want to take this stage. I want to select here. I want to delete here and going here and I want to take this script. Okay, this script. Just copy here and go here and I want to add here. Okay, and we can go here and we can remove here. Okay, and the nexus. So the nexus I will add. See this nexus. That's it. Okay, something is different in 24 line. That's it. That's it. And build here. Okay, apply and save and my final nexus build. Okay, I'm not doing the Tomcat because we have to configure the Tomcat and like a SSH agent plugin we can configure and automatically we can generate the. No need actually. Okay, we can deployment the Docker. Docker deployments we have to know. Docker deployment is there, so no need the this. Okay, so we can cross check in fourth build. Going to console output and going to repository. Oh my god, time is 3:23. Output we can cross check. Okay, 0.01 was available. Okay, see this one, four builds. Okay, Nexus also we can done. Done, guys. And see, this is an output and pipeline. We can close here, no problem. And we can close here. Timing is also closed here. We can refresh now. Time is also updated in this. Manage Jenkins and plugins we have to install it. That's it. Okay, my 4 builds is completed in this configuration. See, updated in code clears and everything. And going to dashboard. Guys, I'm not giving the script, okay? Because you can take the picture and you can write, like automatically you can understand. You have a hands-on experience. Because I'm giving now, you can take the copy paste and whatever the modifications right? You can paste here. 1 second, and I'm highlighting this.